Happiness is not a goal. It is a byproduct of a life well lived. Tip number 1. Random kindness. Do something nice for others. When you see your actions making a positive difference in someone's life, you feel happier, valued, and needed. Make it a goal to do one random act of kindness each day. This could be something small or big. Complimenting a stranger, donating blood, or helping out a colleague at work. At the end of the day, write down your act of kindness. Take note of how you feel after doing it. Tip number 2. Time Affluence. Feeling like you have more time can boost your happiness by reducing stress, allowing for deeper relationships, and giving you more control over your life. Make space in your daily schedule for things that matter, whether that's relaxation, personal growth, or social time. For a week, track what you do each day and how much time you spend on each activity. Then, at the end of the week, review it. See if there are any activities you can cut down or eliminate to make room for what's really important to you. Tip number 3. Gratitude letter and visit. This is one of the best ways to boost your happiness and build stronger relationships. Think of someone who has made a big impact on your life but whom you never properly thanked. Take 30 minutes and sit down somewhere comfortable. Write a heartfelt letter to a living person explaining how they have changed your life and why they mean so much to you. Then deliver the letter in person and read it aloud. If that's not possible, use a video or phone call. You might want to have some tissues nearby for this one. Tip number 4. Savoring. Be present in the moment and really take in what you're experiencing. This can help you feel more joy and stretch out the positive feelings from things you love. Each day, pick one experience to fully enjoy. Whether it's a hot shower, a walk through the park, or a delicious meal, take your time and stay in the moment for the whole experience. Appreciate every detail, every taste, and every sound. Think about how lucky you are to enjoy such a special moment. In the evening, reflect on the experience and write down how you felt in the moment and how you're feeling now. Tip number 5. Daily gratitude journal. Studies show that practicing gratitude can make you feel happier and healthier. Take time to appreciate what you have. In the evening, sit down for 5 minutes and write out 5 things you are grateful for that day. They could be small or big, like enjoying a good cup of coffee, getting a promotion at work, or your kids making lunch for you. When you focus on what you have, it helps you stop dwelling on what you lack. Tip number 6. Social connection. Spend time with others and make your social interactions more meaningful. Aim to make one new social connection each day. It could be something as simple as a conversation on the bus or asking a neighbor how they are doing. Once a week, take extra time to reconnect with someone you care about. Call or meet with a friend or family member you haven't talked to in a while. In the evening, list the social connections you made that day and reflect on how they made you feel. Tip number 7. Mindfulness meditation. Being fully present in the moment can lift your mood, help you focus, and lower stress. Sit comfortably with a straight back. Set a timer for 5 minutes and close your eyes. Start by listening to the sounds around you. Don't judge or analyze them. Just notice them. Breathe naturally. When your mind starts to wander, gently bring your focus back to the sounds. Now, place one hand on your belly. Take a deep breath through your nose so that your belly rises like a balloon. Slowly exhale through your mouth, feeling your belly fall. Do a few of these deep breaths and repeat the whole exercise every day. Tip number 8. Self-care. Improve your mood, boost happiness, and make your body healthier by moving more. Try to get in at least 30 minutes of physical activity each day. It releases endorphins, the happy hormones. Write down 10 activities you would like to try. They don't have to be super intense. Rank the activities. Number 1 is your favorite, number 2 is the second, and so on. Focus on the top 3 and aim to do them daily. Also, eat a healthy diet, drink plenty of water, and practice relaxation techniques. Get enough sleep. It can improve your mood more than you would expect. Write down one thing you can start doing today and for the next week to improve your sleep. For example, I will go to bed 30 minutes earlier, or I won't use my phone an hour before bedtime. If you know someone who could benefit from these happiness boosters, share this video with them. Which tip from the video do you like the most and why? Share in the comments. Watch the next video and see how you can improve your well-being and harmony in life. Thanks for watching and see you next time.